Hey everybody, welcome back. This will be your Chapter 2 review. So I'm just going to do this one on paper. You don't need to see me do it too much because I just want to get into it. Looks a lot like your 2-1 to 2-3 review, so some of this we'll go through pretty quickly. A number m minus 10 is less than or equal to negative 12. So remember, just go from left to right. A number m minus 10. Now this is where we have to put a symbol in. Is less than or equal to, that one's straightforward, less than or equal to negative 12. The number 15 is no more than, so we know we're starting with 15, is no more than. So remember, if it says is no more than, you're thinking it's not more than. What is everything that's not more than? Less than or equal to. The sum is addition. This part's a little bit harder. The sum of 7 times a number k and 12. So the sum tells me what we're adding. What are the two things we're adding? 7 times a number k and 12. So this is the plus sign, and these are the two things we're adding. So 7 times the number k would be 7k, and is the thing we're adding, and 12. Okay? Devin averages at least 32 points a game. So Devin averages, whatever we're going to call that, let's call that A for averages, at least. If you are at least, you are bigger than or equal to. So A is at least greater than or equal to 32. Okay? Everything he averages is greater than or equal to 32. That's what the phrase at least means. Now, when you're graphing from when you're writing the inequality given a graph, you can do it two ways. I'm going to start with my variable, so I'm going to say x. This stands for what I'm shading. What I'm shading is, and since it's to the left, it's all the things less than. This is not closed in, so I don't write the equal to. Everything I shaded is less than negative 2. Okay? And then you can make that look a little bit nicer. The other way some people were doing it, you would start with the number. You could start by saying negative 2, and now this is actually bigger than everything that was shaded. So it's all semantics. It depends on whether you're talking about what's shaded compared to the number or the number compared to what's shaded. But both of these, you notice they open towards the negative 2. Okay? This should actually be down a little bit. That bothers me. I left it up just in case I was going to put the equal sign, but it should look like that. Okay? Now, if I'm going to start with what I'm shading, the things that were shaded, we went to the right, so it's bigger than, this is filled in, so equal to 1. Everything that's shaded is bigger than or equal to 1. That's what this stands for. You could also start with 1, and you could have said 1 is smaller than or equal to everything that is shaded. Either one of these work. You do not need to do both, only one of them. Remember, like I said in class, this tends to be the way that they will do it on a standardized test. Okay? So that is 1 through 5 on your review.